Welcome to Research Rocks. If you are a software developer, researcher or professor and you work in IT sector, nowadays everyone are using AI agent. So we are using AI agent day-to-day perspective as a long time like month-wise, quarterly, yearly, and we are totally forget we need to require AI agent as a maintenance as well for the validation perspective. So how you can maintenance and how you can validate using AutoHarness. AutoHarness is an open source framework lets AI agent build validation and improve their own harness. So Tiger Lab are introducing AutoHarness concept. Using the AutoHarness, you can very easily self-evaluating harness, automatic skill validation, learning from real task, reduce manual maintenance, improve agent reliability. So Tiger Lab are introducing AutoHarness repository. Using this repository, you can AutoHarness is a self-learning skill layer from cloud code. It's learn skill from your real session, merge same scenario once instant and near to duplicate, update them as much as you receive the positive results. Sometimes some AI agents are stuck and providing you same information, but if you use AutoHarness, so you can improve self-learning of your AI agents, means maintenance and validation, and improve the results accuracy as well. So here the same model difference harness like a 42% to 78% core branch. If you see here, the whole research team are publishing one research article published on archive holistic agent leaderboard, the missing infrastructure from AI agent evaluation. Definitely if you use OpenAI, ChatGPT or Google Gemini Pro, they don't have any evaluation structure or evaluation guide provided them. If you use day-to-day point of view in any specific agent, so one time the agents are stuck and providing you unrealistic information for your work. So the publication is showing you how you can define this one, how many challenges, how you can solve this problem using Tiger Lab AutoHarness repository. Here the basic information they are providing here. Plugging point of view, no, just plugging point of view, you just install the Python 3 in your operating system, no matter Windows, Mac or Linux. Just simply plug here the marketplace and Tiger Labs AutoHarness, plug install AutoHarness @AutoHarness. That's it. No need to install third-party dependency packages and bunch of this one. You just simply call it to them. Current agent work and day-to-day or weekly basis you can apply the AutoHarness using this repository and you can improve your results as well. They are providing all types of information here, how exactly work of this repository, host agent, your agent like a hook, CPA capture, relief, then intern, prompt validation and store, and then pass to your cloud skill set, and then it's workable. So execute this result. If it is not, again come back here, recall to the host agent, and this process working again and again. So here throughout all the information is available here, how it's compare related information is available here, some different layer, validation signal, need benchmark and needs of the specific demands, grow, offline, self-editing, timer and AutoHarness related features they are compare here. I already added this link in the same video description. And second thing, you need to read this entire research article. So definitely you should gather much more information if you are working on AI agent day-to-day point of view, or you have own your developer company. So definitely you should apply those tips and tricks and improve your agent, and then after you can sell someone your marketing strategy and your AI agents are working well, so people can like your AI agent. Or if you are a researcher, you should visit this repository and read the research article and learn much more many things related on AI AutoHarness. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.